Let's learn whatever in Chinese.
Every once in a while, it's just inevitable to run into someone or something that really bothers you.
If you feel overwhelmed or find it out of your control, maybe you should try an indifferent attitude and just say to yourself, whatever, it doesn't matter to me at all, and let it go.
It's whatever, rude or not.
It much depends on context. Usually, yes. It's often meant to be rude and dismissive or a snarky response to indicate that you are not even worth speaking to. Yes, it's a nasty, passive-aggressive response. Well, I will teach you some related Chinese expressions. Whatever. Whatever. 无所谓。无所谓。
不好意思，我今天还是不来了。
无所谓。
明天我们不去逛街了，我们去看展览吧。
Whatever， 随便，随便。
昨天在店里看到的那个包包有点贵，我还是在网上买吧。
Whatever makes you happy， 你高兴就好，你高兴就好。
我们去看电影还是在家休息呢？
Whatever works best for you， 怎样都行，怎样都行。